Your vehicle has a traditional glove box compartment. To open it, pull this handle and lower the lid. Your console storage box is located between the front seats. Push this button to open the console box. There are cup holders located conveniently in the center console. The bottle holders are in the door trim panel. The sunglasses holder is opened by a push and release motion. There are several luggage hooks located throughout the cargo area. Use them to properly secure all cargo with ropes or straps, preventing the cargo from sliding or shifting. The adjustable cargo floor allows the customization of storage space in the rear cargo area. Depending on your vehicle's equipment, a variety of storage configurations may be available. Low floor mode maximizes storage volume. Flat floor mode eases loading and unloading of large items and allows you to store items under the floor. Divide mode allows you to store your cargo in 2 separate compartments. There are also a variety of storage bins, trays, and map pockets located throughout the vehicle. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.